2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Royal Enfield Continental GT. The 2024 Royal Enfield Continental GT presents itself as a distinctive and accessible choice for beginners venturing into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category. With its retro-inspired design, approachable performance, and the unmistakable charm of a British cafe racer, the Continental GT caters to riders seeking a classic riding experience that blends style with everyday usability. At the heart of the Royal Enfield Continental GT is a 650 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, parallel twin engine. Designed for a relaxed and enjoyable ride, this powerplant provides a manageable power output that aligns well with the needs of novice riders. The Continental GT's engine emphasizes smooth and controllable performance, making it an approachable option for those transitioning to a middleweight motorcycle. Design-wise, the Continental GT pays homage to classic cafe racers of the past. The bike features a distinctive teardrop tank, a sculpted single seat, and low-slung handlebars, creating an authentic cafe racer appearance. The Continental GT's design not only reflects Royal Enfield's commitment to heritage but also appeals to riders who appreciate the timeless aesthetics of a classic motorcycle. Comfort is a key consideration for riders entering the middleweight category, and the Royal Enfield Continental GT strikes a balance between classic design and modern rider comfort. The bike's cafe racer ergonomics offer a slightly forward-leaning riding position, evoking the spirit of the classic cafe racer ethos. While this may require an adjustment for some beginners, it adds to the Continental GT's unique charm and authenticity. Handling is a standout feature of the Continental GT, characterized by its nimble and agile performance. The bike's lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and well-balanced geometry make it well-suited for both urban maneuvering and spirited rides on open roads. Novice riders will appreciate the Continental GT's manageable nature, allowing them to build confidence while enjoying a classic and engaging riding experience. Safety features are integrated into the Continental GT, including a reliable braking system with dual-channel ABS. The bike's braking performance ensures controlled stops, enhancing rider safety, especially in varying riding conditions. Affordability is a noteworthy aspect of the Continental GT's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category without compromising on Royal Enfield's reputation for simplicity, durability, and character. This makes the Royal Enfield Continental GT an attractive option for beginners seeking a classic and stylish middleweight motorcycle with a nod to the golden era of cafe racers. In conclusion, the 2024 Royal Enfield Continental GT stands as a charming and distinctive choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category. Its classic design, manageable performance, and accessible price point make it an ideal companion for riders eager to embrace the heritage of a cafe racer while enjoying the experience of a middleweight motorcycle, adding a touch of timeless style to their two-wheeled adventures.